Hey, this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. So this will show you how you can make a copy of a blank page and rename it. I'm going to head over to the vocab file that I use the most. It's WordPower 108, and I've created a basic version by adding more simple support. And where you see this in your vocab file may be a bit different, but in here it's under groups. I've already used one of the extra pages to add the Imagine category in there. I still have one extra page 2. So I'm going to go to that. So navigate to the page you want to copy. Go up in the top right-hand corner, and again, this may look a little different depending on which vocab file, but the process is the same. Okay, so I'm Menu. I'm going to go into Edit Page, Menu again, and I'm going to Import/Copy Pages, duplicate this page, and now I'm going to rename it Extra Page 3, save. If I wanted to make another copy, import copy, duplicate this page, Extra Page 4, Menu, import copy pages, duplicate this page, Extra Page 5, save. Okay, done. Back. And so now you're like, well, how do I find it? Well, you're going to go back in, decide where you're going to add another one of those. I'm going to copy that existing Extra Page 2 button, paste button, but now I'm going to go in and edit, call that Extra Page 3, and I'm going to go down and see where it says Navigate, tap there, Navigate, Extra Page, and choose the one that you're wanting to navigate to. So Extra Page 3. No animation, save, done. And so now it goes over there, and I'll go back in here and I can tell that I'm on the correct one. So you would just do that as many times as you're needing to add extra pages. You obviously, once you add the page, you would go in on that button, and I would change the button label to match whatever it is that you're creating a page for. I would also change the image to make sense for whatever that page is. But it's actually pretty simple. It's just a little bit hidden. Hope this helps.